Hello there, I'm BURTOVYI. I'm your here local realtor in South Beach, and today we have very special property in very special condominium. Why it's special? Top professional Robert will let us know.
The building is special because of its location here on West Avenue. West Avenue is very much a neighborhood with lots of young families, professionals, dogs, small children. Our proximity, 3 blocks that way, Whole Foods, 4 blocks that way, Trader Joe's, Lincoln Road, all the other shops, Bank of America, CVS, everything 1 block that way. Dead end street right here, so we do not have traffic flowing through. And the best part about our building is the advantage to this view. We have a sweeping view from south of 5th out to the ocean, clear across to Miami, where the Performing Arts Center is, capturing most of downtown, all of the cruise ships, all of the islands with no obstruction at all. All right, corner unit, 33rd floor, 1262 square feet, with a view from the ocean to clearly all of downtown, the most important part of downtown, the cruise ships. It's a bit of a hazy, cloudy day, so the water doesn't look as blue, but when the sky is blue, this is blue. Beautiful sunsets right here, and beautiful night views to downtown. And also going back inside, this is the kitchen. The owner of this unit renovated it probably 7 or 8 years ago. Finishes are okay. But this is pretty much what people are doing, opening it up. He put this curb in here. A lot of people are making just a big island. Let's go in the bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom, but a lot of people make this the master bedroom. They put a door here that swings open, and then this will become the master bath. Full-size washer dryer. And then this is the best guest bedroom. Again, but people make this the master because it has the best view, the best light. And then on the other side, it's a split plan. The other side has what is technically the master bedroom, master bath. Master bath has a tub shower combination. And great view in this room as well. Nice closet.
Awesome, thank you. So if you like this property, if you want to buy it, you have to hurry up because yes. Robert has so many offers already. So give us a call here on this phone number you see, or reach us, and I and Robert, we can help you to make it possible. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.